In this video, I'm gonna do the review of these earphones, which are the REALME Buds 2, and in my opinion, these are the best budget earphones under 600 rupees in India. So this is Tejas here and you're watching Tippy Tech. So without any further ado, let's roll in the intro. Let's start with an overview. So these earphones are available in 3 color variant, green, orange and the one which I have with me, the yellow color variant. And personally this color looks attractive and elegant. And it's all your personal preference which color to buy. The best buy link is given in the description box below. The reason I'm saying that these earphones are great is because in this price you are getting a 1.2 meters braided cable which is robust and feels durable. But a braided cable is present till here only. It could have been great if they would have made it completely braided. And if you are worried that these earphones can get damaged from this end, then don't worry, the rubberized cable is strong here in this part too. And by the way, the cable is not completely tangle free. Then it also has a built-in magnets, and the grip intensity of the magnets are strong and can be easily attached to any metal surface. And apart from this, it also has a strap which has a REALME branding on it, and this strap can be used to assemble the cable in a systematic manner which will avoid tangling of the cable. Then the ear tips are made up of plastic and a metal grill is present inside of it to protect the internal element from any harm and dust particles. Then it also has an inline remote which has 3 dedicated tactile buttons to increase or decrease the volume, to play, stop, change track and to answer or decline the call. A mic is also present here, and I found that the call quality is average over this mic. Many times I had to keep the mic close to my mouth while answering a call. So here is a sound recording using this mic. So right now the audio you are listening to is been recorded using this internal microphone present in this earphone. So I hope this might give you an idea of how the mic records the sound. So for a while I'll just keep quiet to show you how much ambience noise this mic captures. So that might have given you an idea of the mic present on these earphones. And by the way, the 3.5mm jack present here is not gold plated. And about the compatibility, I have used them with Samsung, Lenovo, MI and Vivo devices, and there were no issues in compatibility. Overall, the build quality is top notch in this price, and if I have to rate them, then I would rate them 9.5 out of 10 in terms of build quality. And about comfort, then I did not found any comfort issues. You can wear them for long sessions without any pain in the ear. So now let's take a look at the prominent part, which is the sound quality. And I literally don't know how to explain the sound quality in words. Anyway, Realme states that it has an 11.2mm bass boost driver which consists of multi-layer composite diaphragm, bringing you a deep and powerful yet accurate bass. But I feel that the bass is not that high as expected. See, I'm not saying that the bass is way too bad. Bass is present but slight punchiness is missing in it. The bass is perfectly isolated from vocals, and the vocals are also clear, providing clear sound output. And the instruments which are present in the background of the song is also crystal clear and are not suppressed by high treble or high bass. I also use them to play PUBG and my experience is quite good. Footsteps are clearly audible and the sound is also high, and I always prefer them to use on 80 to 90% volume, and often the sound distorts on full volume. Overall sound output is impressive, and most importantly it also depends on the device you are using. I have used them with the Xiaomi Mi A1 and the sound quality produced is good as compared to the Vivo Z1 Pro. And don't forget that bitrate also plays an important role in producing good sound quality. Suppose if you are listening to a song on low bitrate like 96 kbps, then you are going to get poor sound quality, the bass will be turbid and the sound will distort at high volume. So always go for high bitrate sounds like 256 kbps or 320 kbps. So in my opinion, the REALME Buds 2 are great earphones because the build quality, the sound quality is impressive, and I'm completely satisfied with the sound quality, and I feel that these earphones are completely worthy for the price. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope this video solved your queries. If you have any doubt, just comment down below. See you soon in the next video, and now let's roll out the outro.